What's up, traders? How are you all doing? If you're new here, I'm O Black. I share everything trading mindsets and real experience, guys. So let's go, guys. It's new week already. Monday night, and it's new week already. You should be in chart. You should be on chart if you're a trader. Well, no, I not say go and start trading in this Sunday. Don't go first. Everybody blow account. So let's go, guys. All we're just doing here is analyzing. So what I'm going to show you today is that I'm going to do a recap of last week trade that I shared on my Telegram channel, how they played out, and what we're watching out for this week. I'm going to analyze together here, live here. So let's go to my Telegram, and I'm going to feature out the trade that I shared on my Telegram and how they played out. This was AUD NZD. So let's go to AUD NZD. AUD NZD. Okay, this was the trade down here. This was the trade down here. It didn't tap me in. I didn't catch this trade, but the liquidity was well swept and the market sold off. The market sold off without tapping me in. So it swept this liquidity, and you see the way market said to the downside, just like that. So my my entry, I wish my entry was like kind of below like this, but still the trade was missed. It's missed. So the next was, let's take GBPJPY. You can see my GBPJPY entry here. So let's go to GBPJPY. Let's go. This GBPJPY. After I played out, you see the nice trade and how it went 1 2 3, and I was out. It was here. Let's go back. Let's go back. You see. Yeah. You see, this was the trade here. Very nice sweet sell. Very nice sweet sell. Did 1 2 3 and I was out. Good for it. And the next was BTC. Yeah, I shared BTC. I shared BTC, but it didn't tap us in. You see, I shared BTC. I remember, but it didn't tap us in. BTC sold off that even tapping us. So that one was not for us. But still, let's go to the chart and see what really happened. So on in, let's just BTC didn't tap, it didn't tap. This was my entry here above here. This was my entry above here. So it did not come back. So what am I going to watch out for the new week? Let's talk about the new week, guys. Back to work, back to work, back to chat. Back to chat, guys. First, I'm going to be looking for BTC. I'm going to watch out for mainly BTC, USD, AUDUSD, and GBPJPY. Those are the pairs that I will be watching out for the week. For the week. So first thing, what am I seeing on BTC? I'm not seeing Argo here, and I trade Argo alone. I'm not seeing Argo. There's other block, but I need Argo. I'm not seeing an Argo, except this guy wants to do something magic here. But no, it's not for. I don't know, but I'm not seeing anything nice here on BTC. But still, I have where I trade BTC. I'm still a learner, but even if I not get on trading view, I'm going to scalp BTC here. So it's mainly for scalping. So I'm not seeing anything nice with the 1 hour time frame. You know, I don't go below 1 hour here. I always trade higher time frame, 1 hour, 4 hour the daily. Those are time frame that I stay to analyze and look for my trade. So I'm not seeing anything nice on BTC, and I don't want to market something I don't understand. So AUDUSD, I did this analysis just now, and let me remove it and come back again. So what am I saying here? Is there a buy below here? Yeah, there's a buy. I'm on third, but I didn't take this trade, guys. This buy has activated. Pretty sure. This buy has activated. So let's say this buy is currently going now. You really want to look out for more buys here and go to the upside and see how to take here. This week. I want to go higher. Something I see above here before, but not really nice. But this buy should look more nicer. Let's see. Let's see. Is this thing is very far from this guy. The liquidity looks like a drop, and but like this is like V. And here we have, guys, I'm just analyzing the market. So this is how I do it. So I'm just here with you guys, showing you how I analyze, and when I get a good trade, I'm going to drop it on my Telegram channel for you all to see. Trade with me, watch out for it. If it's something that you trade, you can just look your chart and also understand that, yeah, we're also doing the same thing with your own analysis. If it really aligns with yours, we're here to trade, learn and trade, grow together, guys. The V is not really too nice here, and this guy is even looking more nice, but should we consider? Then let's look where market is really coming from. Let's not get that to distort. And you can see even the 4 hour, this guy is also giving a nice V5. Let's see. There's no higher to be. If you want to use this high, we're going to be fibbing from this low to here, but trying to use the higher time frame. This is 4 hour. This is 4 hour. This is the high we can obviously see here. So let's fib from this high now to this low. This one. Because obviously yes, it's our low. This one is be taken out. You cannot fib here to here. Now, okay, we can all see now the market is currently tapping on a, yes, obviously discount zone. You can see it's below the 50 0.5 discount zone, and it says going back to the upside. Yes, and here we are seeing a sell above here, and it's at the premium zone. It's kind of making sense, right? Yes, I think so. So it's kind of making sense to me. If I come down to, I don't want to go above anymore. So if I come down back to 1 hour and let's check something here and flip this guy, this low to this high. I thought I flipped here just now. Oh shit. We can all see now that, let me remove this. We can all see now that, yeah, market is currently at the discount zone. And what do you see market doing? Is buying. And when we check the 4 hour time frame, we saw that market was below the 0.5 level, our equilibrium of Fibonacci, which is something like this at the higher time frame. Here, a market is buying from the discount zone, and you can see bought to this up and it sold. And you remember, even with 4 hour, you saw that this place was a premium zone, and you saw a sell, and you can see the sell, right? And we're watching out for buys here currently. Where market is currently at is for buys in AUDUSD. And me, I'm looking at to sell from the discount zone above here. This is what I'm watching out for. Even if this guy look like a wick, not really a V, but I'm looking out for this sell. I remember I used confirmation. I'm going to apply other confirmation and check if this trade is aligned to what I trade. And if it doesn't align, I'm going to don't even pay attention to it. But in other words, what is market even doing? Market is buying, 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 buying. I see. And we can say this was a liquidity swept. Another block tapped. So sorry, this high is targeted to be taken out, and I have this sell here, and the overall is buy. You can see now this our week here is really having a reason to fail. It's really having a reason to fail here. Still weak. Market is buying overall, but with the Fibonacci, we say market is at the premium zone. Oh, this low needs to be taken out for us to even look for sales. So what we just need to do is I'm analyzing, Oh, the sell is not at all. It's not giving. The sell. No, no, no. I think we should look for buys though. Should continue with the buys, guys. Should continue with the buys. If this zone has tapped, bro, I'm going to use confirmation to take this trade more. Let me just quick do something here. Let me see. Uh, the buys is nice. Should look for buys on AUDUSD. Remember, don't rush the market. Just wait for market to do its thing and see what it's gonna get. Market might probably come down and get here again and go back up, giving us a nice way to call this a liquidity and take out this high. So remember, this high will be taken out before you can consider a drop and a peak to the upside again. So let's say AUDUSD, we want to look out for more buys. Remember, click the link bio, click my bio and join my Telegram channel so that when I drop my setup, the trade that I finally figure out to take, you're going to see it. As we're analyzing them, I might probably not even drop this trade, like, because maybe it doesn't align or whatever. But trust me, if it's a nice trade and I catch it, I'm going to drop it and I'm going to see how it plays out together. So skip. Let's go AUD continuation of buys. Let's look for more buys and GBPJPY. I still want to watch out for this pair this week. I just love this pair, guys. I thought I did something, and the only algo I can even find nice to even consider is this guy below here. How did I come up with this guy below here? You see, let's go to the daily. Let's see where this my zone is coming from. You can see I flip from this low to this high. If even okay, if we want to flip to this place, let me say, okay, we want to say that this high, this low, this high and this low has got this discount zone buy that is coming to the upside. We want to flip this high as the next high. This high has been taken out by this guy. So we want to use this guy again as our Fibonacci higher time frame Fibonacci level. And you can see now the market is currently at the premium zone, so market is selling. So once market crosses 0.5, I'm looking out for more buys. And the only nice thing I can see in the 1 hour is this that I marked out at my discount zone to continue with the buys of the to buy GBPJPY. And what is the overall trend of this market? Like, how is the market becoming for it for some time now? You can see that market since August 20, you can see it, and you can see how market has buying highs, lows being protected, highs being taken out. You can see the drop. You can see this low was protected and this high was being taken out. So it's nice to look out for more buys. The market is at the discount zone, so look out for this buy, guys. And I'm going to drop it on my Telegram. Still, don't forget to join my Telegram. Click the link, join my Telegram on my bio, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be analyzing here. You see how I analyze, and we're here to study. We're here to grow together. If it aligns with what you do, you can just let's just grow together and like this picture, like this video, comment and share. There are other people out there on it too. So see this video and be here also. So subscribe and be here and wait for my next video. So that will be all for today, guys. Remember, only AUD, USD, GBPJPY, and BTC that I'll be watching for the new week. If I find something, if I look into other pairs and I see something, I'm still gonna drop. But these are the main pairs that I'm watching out for to make money this week. So let's go, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.